AI writes our words, creates our images, even speaks in our voices. But while the world celebrates its power, few are asking a far more important question. AI is powerful, but at what cost? In just a few years, artificial intelligence has moved from science fiction to everyday life. It designs logos, edits videos, drives cars, predicts behavior. AI promises speed, efficiency, and innovation. And for many, it feels like the future has finally arrived. But every revolution has a shadow. AI learns by watching us. What we search, what we buy, where we go, what we say. Behind convenience lies data, and behind data lies control. The more we rely on AI, the more we trade privacy for comfort. The question is no longer, can AI watch us? But who is watching the AI? AI doesn't just replace tasks. It replaces roles. Designers, writers, editors, even voices and faces. What once took years to master now takes seconds to generate. Are we becoming more creative or simply more dependent? When machines create faster than humans, what happens to human value? AI can now create things that never happened. A voice you trust, a face you recognize, a moment that never existed. In a world of deepfakes and synthetic media, truth becomes fragile. When seeing is no longer believing, how do we know what's real? AI is not neutral. It learns from human data, human history, human bias. And the power to train, control, and deploy AI rests in very few hands. So who decides what AI allows and what it denies? Who benefits and who is left behind? The true cost of AI isn't jobs or data or automation. It's what happens when humans stop questioning, stop creating, and stop thinking. The danger isn't that AI becomes too intelligent. It's that we become too comfortable. AI is a tool, a powerful one. It can amplify human creativity or quietly replace it. The future isn't AI versus humans. It's humans deciding how AI is used, because the most important intelligence has always been human. AI is powerful, but the cost depends on us. AI-powered films,